Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just a quick look at Verasity here for you today. Before we begin, as always, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a look at what's going on with the charts. You can see quite clearly here what we were talking about before. Took my short position at this previous level of support here as resistance. A pretty textbook trade in my opinion. At this 023 Fibonacci level, you can see from the high of the previous bull market down to the current low of this bear market. You can see obviously we've got the massive breakout, and then since then we've been heading down in a little bit of a descending wedge formation here. You can see the wedge quite clearly, and then obviously getting back up towards that 023 Fibonacci level, which happened to be at that half a cent key psychological level as well for Verasity. We came up into that area, got a few rejections in that area. I took a short position, and now we're just sitting in a little bit of profit right now. I'm overall still averaging into a long position for Verasity because I do think this thing is going to do really well over the next few months in terms of another move to the upside. But right now I've got a small short position as just a bit of a hedge really, again going against. I think this is probably a pretty textbook trade, just a very simple break and retest back into that Fibonacci level and a psychological level. And I do think, you know, if Bitcoin does have a bit of a rollover as well, it's definitely going to take Verasity down with it back down to that previous low, maybe even a bit further down, depending on what we do see next. So really that is all for today guys. There's not that much going on today in terms of the chart. You can see we've come up into that area of resistance, but now we're currently back testing down towards maybe that previous area of structure, seeing if we'll get the bounce there or if we will reject and continue downwards. We'll have to wait and see what happens next, but for now we are just chilling and waiting to see what happens with Verasity. In terms of the long term, still looking very good. Obviously the breakout of that big bear market resistance, really we're looking just for that breakout, and now we're consolidating in this wedge. And I do think if we do start to break to the upside of the wedge, we'll be heading up towards that 2 cent level for Verasity, which would be a nice, you know, 4x from the current price, I think. So that is my analysis for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.